Hi, I'm Katie from Collaborative Classroom. This is an unboxing video to show you the materials that come with your second grade small group reading sets, which is a component of being a reader. Your materials come with everything that you see here. This is a packaging list which lists all of the materials. But let's get started with our implementation handbook. This implementation handbook is intended to support your implementation of small group reading. It includes an overview of the program, the design and features of sets 1 through 12. It also includes instructional support, planning resources, and assessments. These are the materials that you'll need to teach some of the small group lessons. You'll have 2 sets of the high frequency word cards, one to be displayed on an area around you and the other to use during the lesson. And here's your spelling sound cards. You'll also have wall cards, which will be displayed as you introduce them during instruction, and a full poster that you'll want to consider where you can display and make visible where you plan on teaching. These are the sets that come with the second grade materials, sets 5 through 12. Each of these comes with a teacher's manual and 6 copies of the student text. So these are your physical materials, but you also have a wealth of resources available for you on the Learning Portal. On the front page of your implementation handbook is a QR code that you can scan to get started and create an account on the Learning Portal. There are so many resources available to support you, including reproducibles for teachers and students, assessments, and digital teacher's manuals. There are videos that include teachers demonstrating specific routines and examples of full small group reading lessons. The student text is available via the Bookroom app so that students can read them on a device or at home. We hope that this second grade small group reading set video was helpful, and once you're logged into the Learning Portal, please know that we are just a click away for support.